topic myself. So let's welcome them with big round of applause.
Give the mic and make them sing. And after finishing, take them that side.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Retesham. I am 6 years old. My school name is Oxford English School. I am studying in UKG. My school is Srinivasapura. My brother name is Muhammad Lukman Ahmad. My father name is Abu Shuaib. My mother name is Asma Zahra. My favorite fruit is papaya. My favorite color is purple. My hobbies are singing. My class teacher name is Usha ma'am. My principal ma'am name is Pramila Rajesh ma'am. My hobbies are singing. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Nandita. Good morning. My school name is Oxford English School. My mother name is Jamuna. My father name is Emana. I have one brother. My brother name is Vikram. My class teacher name is Usha ma'am. My hobbies are writing. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself Aniket. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Oxford English School. My school is in Srinivasapura. I am 5 years old. My class teacher name is Usha ma'am. My principal name is Mrs. Pramila Rajesh ma'am. My father name is Narensa. My mother name is Vanita. I have one brother. I have one sister. My brother name is Akash. My sister name is Sahana. My hobbies are writing. My favorite color is purple. My favorite fruit is papaya. My favorite vegetables is carrot. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Vikas. Today I am here to tell about myself. My hobbies are drawing. My favorite fruit is dragon fruit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning all. I am here to tell about myself. My name is Mayank. I am studying in UKG. I am 5 years old. My mother name is Sureka. My father name is Navikuma. My sister name is Saraja. My favorite fruit is watermelon. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today I came to tell about myself. My name is Rashmika. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Oxford English School. My school is in Srinivasapura. My mother name is Satya. My father name is Raja. I have one brother. My brother name is Dishit. My hobbies are UKG. My school name is Oxford English School. My mother name is Vimbla. My father name is Santraj. I have one sister. My sister name is Trisha. My favorite fruit is mango. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sudaina. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Oxford English School. My school is in Srinivasapura. My favorite color is red. My favorite fruit is watermelon. My hobbies are writing. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Today I am here to tell about myself. My name is Charu. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Oxford English School. I am 5 years old. My mother name is Ashuti. My father name is Vinod. My sister name is Sadhana. My favorite color is purple. My favorite hobbies are coloring, painting, dancing, singing. I want to become a doctor.